this video, we will be showing you the 4-day process of launching this 80-meter, 262 feet 6 inches superyacht called Tatiana. It is an excellent new superyacht for the luxury charter market. Delivered by Shipyard Bilgin Yachts, and featuring interior styling by English designer H2 Yacht Design, she can comfortably accommodate up to 12 guests and 8 cabins. With an abundance of space and superlative amenities across her luxurious decks, you'll be spoilt for choice aboard Tatiana. It costs around $800,000 to charter this superyacht. She is equipped with a movie theater, elevator, beach club, and a gym. Tatiana was built in 2021. It offers guest accommodation for up to 12 guests and 8 suites comprising a master suite, 2 VIP cabins, 4 double cabins, and 1 twin cabin. There are 10 beds in total, including 3 king, 4 queen, 1 double, and 2 singles. There are up to 20 crew members on board to provide outstanding service on your charter. A charter on Tatiana is comfortable and convenient, thanks to the provided amenities such as a piano, perfect for creating a relaxed atmosphere for you and your guests. Alternatively, Tatiana boasts a movie theater, perfect for relaxing after a long day on the water. And you can take a break from a busy itinerary in the steam room or elsewhere and revive yourself after an intense workout in the sauna. The swimming pool is perfect for exercising or admiring a romantic sunrise. You can make your day truly exceptional at the beach club, plus maintain your fitness routine, work out in a well-equipped gym, and soak up the bubbles in style in the deck jacuzzi. Whatever your activities on your charter, you'll find some impressive features that are seamlessly integrated to help you, such as an elevator, making any part of the yacht quickly and easily accessible, and you can also take advantage of the onboard Wi-Fi and stay connected at all times. You can always stay comfortable on board whatever the weather is, with air conditioning during your charter. Tatiana is built with a steel hull and aluminium superstructure. She offers greater onboard space and is more stable when at anchor, thanks to her full displacement hull. It is powered by twin MTU engines. She comfortably cruises at 12 knots and reaches a maximum speed of 19 knots with a range of up to 7,500 nautical miles from her 168,000-liter fuel tanks at 10 knots. An advanced stabilization system on board reduces the side-to-side roll of the yacht and promises guests exceptional comfort levels at anchor or when underway. On board Tatiana, you have a large selection of toys and accessories to keep you and your guests entertained on the water throughout your stay. You can take to the sea on jet skis, offering you power and control on the water. Another excellent feature is Scout towable toys, offering you a fun and adventure experience. Also, there is a waterski that is hugely entertaining whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro. If that isn't enough, Tatiana also features a sea bob, wakeboards, kayaks, inflatable water toys, and snorkeling equipment. Tatiana also features 2 tenders, but leading the pack is a 7.5-meter Custoldi tender to transport you in style. Based in the magical waters of the Mediterranean all year round, Tatiana is ready for your next luxury yacht charter. Let Tatiana discover the magical places, food, and experiences of the Mediterranean for you. With a highly experienced and talented crew of 20, you can be sure that each and every need will be met and exceeded while on board this prestigious superyacht. Thanks for watching. That concludes the 4 days process of launching this superyacht called Tatiana. We also made another video of the luxury interior